Well, this project looks to be a failure. So I'm trying to replace the charge pump for the DSP chip with -5 volts on the Omni 6, TEC Omni 6. Here's the charge pump I bought from Amazon for $15, and I've put it in the circuit. I have 12 volts going into it. I have it grounded. I have -15 going out. The -15 is going into a 7905 regulator, and it's coming back out and going where the charge pump pass transistor was. There was a pass transistor there regulating, but I got rid of that as I have this 7905 regulator in here already. Anyway, it's a failure because there's too much noise. Too much noise coming out of this box. Here, listen to the noise. So that little pitter-patter chatter is really unacceptable. So the RF gain's all the way down. Turn it up. I mean, there's static and all that, but you don't want that stuff going on. So what do I do? Do I put inductors in series? Do I try to just back it out and forget about this project? I don't know. This is a real hack. So yeah, the board's on there, but it's not working with the damn. I mean, it's working, but it puts out lots of crap. I had inductors around here. I just can't find them. I have a whole box of inductors to try. All right, that's my status at this point. I'm thinking about just backing this thing out and calling it good, but the charge pump in there doesn't work right. Okay, thanks for watching. Yeah, great noise, huh?